Hello guys and welcome. In this video I'm going to explain about a function parameter annotation. So how we work on with a function parameter annotations in TypeScript. I will show you step by step. Before we start, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like this video. Now function parameter annotation in TypeScript works. Let me show you. First create a something file.ts. I call it a func param.ts, function parameter.ts. Okay, so now the main idea is to create a function that have the parameters, and we define data type for those parameters. Let me show you what I mean. I'm creating a function called add numbers, which equals to, it takes a parameter of number 1 and a number 2, and when I try to store them or in the result, is a result which is equals to number 1 plus a number 2. Okay, so now in here I created a function which accepts number 1 and number 2, and it stores in a result and adds them number 1 and number 2 in here. So now when I try to console log the results, I hope you understand the code. Console dot log, when I print the results, it will give me the addition of number 1 and number 2. So in here I have to call my function and give it a parameter to be added. For example, I want 2 and 2 or 2 and 3. Okay, so now I give it my function 2 and 3, but in here the TypeScript is saying that implicitly has any type, but better type be inferred from usage. So it says that it uses as any type for those parameter. So it says that I will recommend you to use a what we call it annotation of data type. Okay, so now let me give it. For number 1 is a annotation of a number, and for number 2 annotation of a number. Okay, now the TypeScript have no more warning or errors, so this code looks fine. We give for this parameter a number data type because it is a number. We give it a number data type again because it is a number in here. So now when I try to run this code using Ctrl plus Enter, and the code is running, and I will get a 5 without any error. Okay, so that is how it works in TypeScript, the function of parameter annotation. Also, you can work with a what we call it arrow function. For example, subtract number, which equals to an arrow function of it takes a number 1 of annotation, a number 1 of annotation of a number, and a number 2 is annotation of a number also, and we can store it in results, and we can say like number 1 minus number 2. Okay, so now when I try to print out the results, console.log the results, I will get a first let me call my function subtract a num, and when I give it like 8 and 4, I will get some output of this subtraction. It is 4. Okay, so you can work also with a arrow function. Okay, so this is a normal function, this is a arrow function. Okay, you can work with arrow function also. Okay, so this is how we do it. Okay, so by the way, function parameter is not working only for numbers. You can work with strings, you can work with a boolean. For example, let me show you a function parameter. Let me say like say hi, and which equals to which have a parameter of name, which is a string, and you can print, or you can console.log, you say like hello comma name, and when I try to call my function, I say like hey, say hi, and my name is I say like binaryx. Okay, now when I try to run it, I will get a hello binaryx in here. Okay, when I try to run the code, I will get hello plus name in here, hello plus binaryx. Okay, so function annotation parameter, you can work with a string, you can work with a number, you can work also with a boolean. For example, if it is a bool, if it is a boolean, I have to give it a boolean value. For example, false, it says hello false. Okay, it says that hello false, or it says that hello true. Okay, so now this is how you work with function parameters. I show you with different scenarios in normal function, in arrow function, or you can work with different data types in TypeScript. Okay, so this is for today. If you want this code, you can get it in my GitHub repository. So this is for today, function parameters, how it works in TypeScript. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and like video, and I'll see you on the next TypeScript tutorial. Bye bye.